Hello, friends. Today is absolutely gloomy, rainy, freezing day in California, and I have a splitting headache. But nevertheless, Maggie is ready to go, and we are going to try and learn new pictures, because I found a pile of new pictures that she never did before. You can see they're brand new. She didn't chew them. She didn't do anything to them. So let's figure out how many of these she can remember. Okay, let's go. Maggie, can you see it? Can you see it? Bike, bicycle, Maggie, a watch, I want to make sure that you guys see it. Okay, Maggie, bicycle, bicycle. Good job, Maggie. Bicycle. Good girl. It's amazing the capacity of that little brain and little tiny head. Just amazing. Maggie, a watch, watch. Good job, Maggie. A watch. No, show me a watch. Good job. Show me a watch. Good girl. Show me a bicycle. I can't believe it. She already remembers it all. Let's see. Maggie, stretch. Stretch, Maggie. Stretch. Stretch. No, stretch. You're my smart girl. You remembered. You're so good. Here is a big piece of walnut for you. Can you stretch? Stretch. Come on, stretch. You are so good. You are so smart. You're such a love baby. You're such a love. I love you, sweetie pie. Okay. She remembers stretch. I can't believe this. Okay, let's see. Maggie, a bee. Good job, Maggie. Maggie, a bicycle. That's a bee, a bicycle. Okay. Don't pay attention to Philip. He's not bothering you. A bee. Good job, Maggie. A bicycle. Okay. She was actually showing the bicycle. I don't know if you could see it. It was just on the bottom, so it's difficult to distinguish whether it was a bee or a bike. But actually, she was touching the picture with the bike. I made her do it again. A bee. Good job. How about a bee? Good girl. How about a watch? That's a bike. A watch, Maggie. A watch. No, that's a bike. Bicycle. I want a watch. A watch. That's the watch, right? Bicycle. Right. Again. Maggie, a watch. A watch. A bee. Think about it, Maggie. A bee. Where is the bee? That's right. That's the bee. A watch. Maggie, think about it. Where is the watch? That's a bicycle. Where is the watch? Right? Where is the watch? That's right. That's the watch. Mix it up. Where is the watch? Good job, Maggie. A bee. Good. A bicycle. A bicycle. That's right. You know. Okay. I think that's enough for one day. It's 7 minutes, which is plenty, but I know she wants more, so let's see. What does the doggy say? A dog. Dog, Maggie. What does the dog say? What does the cat say? No, that's a dog. What does the dog say? Maggie, come on. Your brain's fried, right? Well, can you stretch again? Stretch. Stretch. No, stretch. Very good. Can you stretch again? Stretch. Stretch. No, stretch. Maggie, stretch. Really? Really? Can you stretch? Stretch. Can Maggie sing? She can stretch, definitely. No, that was not a stretch. That was just nothing. Do a stretch or sing. Your choice. You've decided to do a stretch. Very good stretch. Very good. Beautiful. That's it? That's it? Maggie, sing? Can you sing? Как Мэггичка поет? Поет. Sing. Поет. Как Мэгги поет? Спой. Good girl, yes. Спой еще. Спой. Sing. No, louder. Громче. Sing. Okay, good. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Wave, wave, wave nicely. That's right. That's good. Okay.